Assalamualaikum to all of you.
Walaikum assalam.
Who's Rahman? Starting the wishes and divine name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Not just me, not the other entire universe. Then I want to be like my parents, and then I want to get a teacher. Sir Sajid Khan, who makes music speak in front of you all. So today my topic is Bangladesh is on fire. Yes, do you know that Bangladesh is on fire? As we all know, before some days, they killed their one student. Why? Because just he was standing in front of their quota system. They are giving quota system 60%, but he was saying that we should finish. And who was that guy? Who was the topper in his university? Who was the topper in his school? Who was the topper in his college? The army killed him, and then after all the students of the Bangladesh came out from their houses and start to come against of their army. Why? Because they know that if today we are not raising our voice for our right, so tomorrow we will not get our right. Do you know, as like they say that we do too much hard work, but we don't get result as compared to as like we do hard work, because they are giving 60% quota. They was demanding that the quota system should be finished. And you know that it was not like our Pakistani army and our Pakistani government, that they will not accept their mistakes. They accepted their mistakes because they know that they are saying right, and they take quota system from 60% to 7%. Why? Because they know they was right. Many of the students died for this thing. As like I was giving you the example of that topper guy who was very intelligent and very hard worker guy. We all know that their education is also good, so we can judge that how much that guy was doing hard work. But they killed him, and then after their whole students came out for their right, that he was saying right. That guy who killed by the army, he was saying right. Why? Because he was demanding from their government and army that 60% quota system is, and they should finish it. But they was not doing. They killed him, and then after they got to know if they will make quite to their nation voice, so what their nation can do. But our nation cannot do like this. Our nation, do you know that how much quota system is in Dow Medical? 40% quota system is in Dow Medical. So what is this thing? This is nothing near to our government. This is nothing near to our army. But we should stand in front of them. We are the nation. We are the student. We should stand in front of them as they stand. Why they stand? Because they know that if we will stand for our right, we will get our right. And they given their lives, but they take their rights. Question.
What telling whole crowd is sitting. Or doing nobody is over here. The thing is that them. Really that you are giving the example of the Bangladeshi people. Really that the army has done. First of all, that they have finished the border system. And I should tell you about the Pakistan. Okay, you think they are not less like a Pakistani army or the government. Means, sister, then I should tell you that you also know that they are not like that. That our nation can do nothing. Only that you cannot burn the fire over here now. So how it can be that you are saying to them? Why you are saying to them? They will not listen you. Why? Really? That the Imran Khan kind of person came, he did not burn their fire, and who are you to burn their fire? That's the thing over here that you are saying. Then I should tell you about the Pakistani people. They should be as much well with their parents now. They should be as much well before they would be raising their hand like front of the Sheva Sharif. Like when they are not raising it, then why you are saying to them? Therefore, the speaking crowd is sitting for doing nobody over here.
You said to me that I am just speaking here and I am not doing anything. Do you know? Here many crowd is. I am telling them about this thing that we should do. As much I can do, I am doing. I got today chance, so I am doing this thing. As much I know the people, I am doing this thing. As like today I am here to speak something. So in front of me there are there's too much crowd, so I can speak, and now I am speaking. This is the thing that everyone also don't speak. Their nation also came on the road and they also start to speak. But now it's my chance that how I can do. Do you know that every person has their different way, but my way is to tell you about, and then we will be united, and then we can change this country. Then we can do something. And now I am here. I am telling you all. So what I am doing here? I am telling you all. I am making you patientful. That like if they did, so why we cannot do? Before doing something, we have to change the mind of our nation. Last.
In the news, they are saying that the Bangladesh are fired from the Pakistan. How the Bangladesh is on the fire because they are not respecting their master, they are not respecting the parents. How can the Bangladesh can be on the fire? Because it is on the fire, and you didn't tell the reason how the Bangladesh is on the fire. Tell the reason. Then
What I said in my whole presentation, that why they are on the fire, the Bangladesh is burning because of their students. That their students came in front of their army and came in front of their government. Do you know, to change the country, they have to burn their country for some time. They have to give their lives, as also Turkey people's given their lives. They given their lives, and after they take their army journals life, and they given again the seat of president to their real president. So they did these things. So what I said, that they are burning because their students came in front of their army and in front of their government. That's why they burned their whole country. They burned their army. They burned their government morale. And then now we all know that they won from them. Their government accepted that we was wrong. They was not wrong. So that's why Bangladesh